Hi everyone, my name is Naila Posha Fadina and I'm from 12th Tertiary Wijaya class. So today in this mini vlog, I would like to painting and I'm going to show you how I do it. But first, let me show you the tools and the materials that I'm going to use to paint. So for the tools, I'm going to use this brush. It has many different sizes with different functional tool. And then the cup, I will use it for clean my brush. So I'm going to fill this cup with water. And then the other tools is this palette. You can see that it's already dirty, but don't worry, I can still use it. And then the last tools is this pencil and eraser to making a sketch and erase. And now let's move to the materials. So for the first materials is this canvas. It has 30 by 30 centimeter size. And then the most essential materials that I'm going to use is of course the paint. It's acrylic paint and the brand is Montmartre and Faber-Castell. And for the last material is this varnish. I'm gonna use it for making a glossy looks to my painting. So that's all the tools and the materials that I'm gonna use to painting. And now I'm going to move to the other place and then start painting. So let's go. So guys, I've already moved to this place and the scenery in here is more beautiful. Also the air is more fresher and I also have prepared a snack to me so I won't be hungry while I was painting. And now for the step 1, I will start with sketching. So this is the final result of the sketch. It's quite simple because I'm not make a lot of detail on sketch because later it will be covered with paint. And now entering the coloring step. I started by coloring the sky by applying blue paint at first, then make a gradient with a lighter blue paint. After that, I started coloring the cloud by making a dark and light gradation on the cloud. Anyway, I really enjoyed this coloring step because I think painting is very fun and satisfying. A little story, I have ended like painting and drawing since I was a little. The first painting I ever made was when I was in the kindergarten. I made a draw of a tree and colored the leaves with red color. And then I was scolded by my teacher and laughed at by the whole class. It's really hurt and I feel so embarrassed, but since then, I have never stopped drawing and I always practice until I can take part in various competitions. Because I was so ambitious in painting, when I was in the kindergarten, I was better at drawing than reading. So my mother had time to confiscate my drawing equipment so that I could focus on learning to read. And until now, drawing and painting have always been my best hobbies I ever had. And now let's move on to the next step, which is the process of coloring the middle. I made a gradient of light green and dark green, and then add a detail of grass and flowers. And if you guys notice in my sketch, I drew two people in the middle, but I didn't color it because I find it difficult to paint. So I decided to cover it when coloring the sky. And now the last step is pouring varnish on my painting to make it look shiny and glossy. So guys, finally I've been finished my coloring and I have put some varnish to make my painting has a glossy looks too. And then this is the final result. I honestly really think that the result is really good and I like it so much. I don't think that the result is beyond of my expectation, even though it's been a long time since I was painting before. And after this, I plan to display this painting in my room. So that's all my mini vlog today. I honestly think that this activity is really fun and I really enjoy it so much. So that's all. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.